Coconut milk pudding is my favorite sweet dim sum. It tastes so refreshing and light. And it is amazingly easy to make it at home. You only need 4 ingredients to make this amazing dish. We just need 400 ml of coconut milk, 400 ml of full cream milk, 70 grams of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Add some cold water into the gelatin powder to hydrate it. Stir a bit. Set aside for a few minutes or until it gets spongy. Turn the stove to low heat. Mix the coconut milk and sugar into the pot. Heat over in low heat until the sugar dissolves. Do not boil the mixture. Then add the hydrated gelatin powder. Stir it until it dissolves. It should take around 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add gelatin powder without any hydration directly into the mix. It will form a lot of lumps. You can also use gelatin leaves or agar if you are vegan. After that, use a sieve to remove any lumps in the mixture. To make sure the mixture is smooth, transfer the mixture into the container. Let it cool down before refrigerated. Perfect! I love to add more varieties. Let's make some cute animals using a chocolate mold. Also, I love to add some nata de coco. Once the mixture cools down, refrigerate it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you see how cute this animal shape. And the nata de coco gives a very nice chewy texture. Tasty! Let's decorate the top with some fruits. Wow, it looks so happy and yummy. I can have tons of them. It also comes very well with red bean soup. Take out the pudding from the rectangular container. Cut into bite size. Coat with desiccated coconut. And this is the tasty, beautiful, and creative coconut milk pudding. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Enjoy! Time to try. It tastes very refreshing and it has very nice coconut flavor. I love that it's coated with coconut. It gives it a very nice texture.